No, I'm not the perfect guy, but I think I'm doing just alright. It doesn't matter what you throw of me then, what you think of me now. What happened always seems eye to eye, but right now when you look in mine, don't be scared, there's no such thing as fear. Yes, you just know that I'm here.